Anupama's unexpected return sparks tension. Anuj confronts Adia's resistance. In the latest twist on the hit show, Anupama, tension soars as Anupama returns to Anuj's life, shaking the dynamics between him, Adia, and Shruti. While Anuj seeks Anupama's support to manage his responsibilities, Adia finds herself unable to accept her presence, leading to a clash that tests relationships and loyalties. Anupama triumphs. A stellar performance on television screens. With its captivating storyline and stellar performances, Anupama continues to dominate television screens, captivating audiences nationwide. A remake of Star Jalsa's beloved Bengali series, Srimoyi, the show is a testament to the creative vision of producers Rajan and Deepa Shahi, brought to life by directors Cut Productions. Led by a talented cast including Gaurav Khanna, Madalsa Sharma, Sudhanshu Pandey, and Rupali Ganguly, Anupama has not only replicated the success of its predecessor but has also carved its own path, earning accolades and applause from viewers and critics alike. Anupama and Anuj's transformed lives collide in America. After an immense 5-year hiatus, the reunion between Anupama and Anuj in America marks a pivotal turning point in their lives. Their encounter unveils a tale of significant transformation and unforeseen challenges. However, amidst this rekindled connection, tensions brew as Adia and Shruti find themselves grappling with Anupama's sudden reappearance in Anuj's life. Despite Anuj's intentions of seeking Anupama's assistance to navigate his responsibilities, Adia remains steadfast in her disdain towards her. Adia's apprehensions stem from a fear of the repercussions Anupama's presence may have on her own relationship with Anuj. As her discomfort intensifies, she vehemently insists on Anupama's departure, believing it to be imperative for her own well-being. Anupama's culinary dream shattered. A clash of ambitions and animosity. In a devastating turn of events, Anupama's cherished recipe book, her beacon of hope for a chance at redemption, falls victim to the vindictive hands of Adia. As the tension escalates, all eyes are on Anupama to witness her response to Adia's venomous actions. Will she succumb to despair, or will she rise above the hatred, fueled by her unwavering determination? Meanwhile, Anuj's elation at Anupama's newfound opportunity knows no bounds. His unwavering support for her dreams stands in stark contrast to Adia's relentless efforts to thwart her progress. When Anuj uncovers Adia's malevolent schemes, he doesn't hesitate to confront her, admonishing her for once again obstructing Anupama's path to realizing her aspirations. As the battle lines are drawn, the stage is set for a showdown of ambitions and allegiances in this gripping saga of love, betrayal, and redemption. If our video has resonated with you, we encourage you to express your support by engaging with us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our insightful content. Until next time, keep discovering and stay inspired. Additionally, let's foster meaningful dialogues with F3. Feel free to share your thoughts and interests in the comments for our upcoming video discussions tailored to your preferences. Your input is invaluable, and we are committed to shaping our content around your needs. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for being an essential part of this journey, and may the upcoming moments be filled with happiness and contentment.